Well, we're walking around and I look over here. I was going to that bone over there. And yeah, I was telling Kaylee this looks like a good area. Turns out it is. Looks like, I don't know, probably a hard white from last year, but a good 5-point shed. Well, she just found a shed for the first time with me.
You wanted to record.
Yes.
Otherwise, I would have picked it up, checked it out.
So go for it, grab it. Yeah, that's a big old mule deer antler. Chalky, but yeah, it's actually somewhat fresh. It just got annihilated. Like literally, that thing's probably hard white. That's crazy. That's all the base left.